Welcome to Richie's Videos. Today we're unboxing these and we got more. Unboxing blind boxes and we got more. So let's get started. New one! Tall one. It is Jessie. She fell over. She fell over. Another one of these. Oh, did you see that? It just went flying. I hope I get one that I don't have.
She has glitter.
Oh, we have the one that's mean.
Yeah.
That's evil. We have the mean Nightmare Moon, and now we have the one where the episode almost ends, where she changes back to normal. Please be the mystery one. Please be the mystery one. We got a new duplicate. So we have to cut to the bottom. Ooh. Let's call this one a limited edition. How's this going to get it?
Amethyst star.
Awesome! We got ones that we don't have. We got a plate with a party hat, and we got a flower pot. Last one. I got a one that I wanted. Thumbs up the video, like and subscribe. So bye.